In this video, you will learn why you're still single this Valentine's Day. First of all, it is not your fault. A lot of successful, smart, beautiful, open-hearted, angelic people are single. I'll tell you exactly what's happening, why it is happening, and what to do about it, I promise. So when you know why you're single, then if you want a partner, you can change that. When you don't know why you're single and you're thinking things like, oh, there are no men left or there are no women, then you're putting a bad spell on yourself. But when you know exactly why you're single and what to do about it, then I really hope that by the next Valentine, you're going to have a wonderful partner, just like my students and clients do, no matter what your age is, no matter where you live, and no matter what kind of luck you had with love before. So if you're ready for that, put I am ready into the comments, because that way you're giving the universe a message that you are ready for love, that you're ready for something new in your life. So just say, I am ready for love into the comments, and I'm going to put a heart on it, I promise. And so my name is Luba Evans. I'm a coach to thousands. I've been doing this, working with people, especially women, empowered, powerful women, high-achieving women for the last 20 years, helping them get into the most exciting, safe, and inspired relationship of their lives. And I am so excited to be here with you today. If you like anything about this topic, if you like my energy, my dress, or maybe my new earrings, please put like on this video, subscribe to the channel. Here in the Magnetic Woman channel, we explain how relationships work, and there is no fluff here. All of this is coming from my personal experience, working with thousands of people and seeing exactly what works and what doesn't. If you're ready to dive in, we're going to go over 5 reasons why you're still single during this Valentine and exactly what to do about it today. All right, so reason number 1 why you're single. You don't find anyone attractive. So if that's you, please put something into the comments. Yes, that's me. So this is the very first thing that we hear from men and women. I don't find anybody attractive. So why is it that you don't find anyone attractive? And you might think, oh my God, if I saw somebody very hot, and for women usually it's all very tall and handsome, or maybe somebody like Brad Pitt or Obama or something like that, then I would fall in love. But people online then don't look so good, especially after a certain age. And so I'm really not interested. Most likely, the reason why you're not finding people attractive is because you are still attracted to people who are bad boys or dangerous girls with tattoos, or people who are not good for you, people who are emotionally unavailable, and people who can create drama in your life, people who have heartbreak for you written all over their forehead. So those are the kind of people that mean trouble. And so if you think about what was happening to you in the past and people you really were attracted to, most likely those were those kind of people. And we are attracted to those kind of people because they bring in aliveness, wildness, and they very often remind you of the same unstable energy that you grew up with. So for example, if you grew up with an unstable mother or father who did not give you the love that you needed, you will be attracted to those people. And when you see a good, solid person, that person will seem boring to you. All right. So it's not that there are no people out there. It's just that your specific trauma is looking for the same resonance. Your specific trauma, your specific teenage boy or girl is responsible for that attraction mechanism inside of you. And because of that, you're not finding that. and you can't find anyone truly deeply attractive. So that means that you need to heal your love blueprint. This is what we do in Luba Evans, that's my name, coaching practice, healing your love blueprint, your relationship with love itself. All right. Reason number 2 is that you're not really attracting. Okay, so that's a big reason. Sometimes after a certain age, or when our energy is not fully radiating, when we are blocked, we're not attracting. For example, if your feminine is shut down and you're a woman, if you're leading with your masculine, then you're not going to be creating masculine feminine polarity with a guy. Instead, you will be more in a friend zone. So for example, if you go out there and you go on a date with someone and you really actually liked someone, but that person said, oh, this was a good conversation, but somehow they didn't find you attractive, what usually happens is because you were not leading with your feminine, but instead you were leading with your masculine, especially if you are a successful woman, independent woman. So that means that maybe you were oversharing, maybe you were leading the conversation, maybe you were in your head instead of being in your heart or in your body, instead of being in your magnetic self, which we'll talk about in a moment. So if you are a man, and nobody finds you attractive, the same thing. It means that your masculine energy is not really radiating, because when a man radiates true masculine energy of a leader, energy where we feel that you are very confident, that you can take care of us, energy where we feel that you have a generous heart, but you're a king, you project high value, and then a woman feels, oh, I can finally relax in his presence. All right. So that means, my dear men, that most likely we need to unleash that masculine power inside of you. Just so you need to start projecting more of that power, so that when a woman is next to you, she's going to start melting, that she's going to start feeling, oh my God, finally, I can relax with someone. Finally, I'm feeling safe and excited. All right. So reason number 3 why you're single is because you're not taking action. So something happened maybe in the past. Maybe you went online and nobody good wrote to you. Yeah, that happens all the time. In fact, you need to have very specific strategies online in order to succeed. So in our world, magnetic woman world, we have a very special way of branding you and putting you out there. In fact, I don't even know how people are going online without our special soulmate magnet online profile, because your profile most likely is attracting wrong people. Maybe you're writing that you like to hike, or you like sunset, or you like to travel. Just 1,000 other people are writing that. Maybe you are appealing to somebody's head instead of appealing and talking to the heart. Maybe you are overgiving and oversharing. Maybe you are talking about how loving you are, and that fails to activate another person's chasing instinct. Maybe your pictures are plain wrong, and maybe your profile does not have qualifications, and all kinds of users or troublemakers or narcissists are attracted to you. People who just want to have a one-night stand, or people who want to use you in some different ways, or people who are emotionally unavailable. So maybe your profile is not communicating the right thing. And maybe you had that bad experience going online, and now you're just in a limbo, and you're actually not giving yourself a chance to meet those new people. Number 4, not knowing places where to go to meet new people, and preferring to stay in the comfort of your home or with your friends and your community. Yeah, just because it is comfortable, just because it's nice and cute and comfortable and you're in control. And taking yourself out there requires courage, and it requires spiritual resilience. We approach dating as a spiritual journey because it really pushes your buttons. You might feel disappointed. You might start losing your faith, start losing hope. But the one who has healed their love blueprint, who has their feminine energy, feminine magic developed and unleashed and healed, or a man who is leading with his royal masculine, So once you got that, and you have your online dating profile, you create that miracle, that synchronicity, that possibility for the divine intelligence to bring that partner to you. And I see it in our work all the time. In fact, very often when a woman even gets into our program, within 2 weeks, she starts magnetizing different men. And very often, women in our program got proposals within 3 months and less, which I don't like, actually. I think it's premature, but it happens all the time. So those are 4 factors that contribute to the fact that you are single right now. And reason number 5 is obvious, that you haven't yet talked to us, that you haven't signed up yet for your love breakthrough session, which we are offering today, but only to people who are truly serious about getting the love that they want this year, who are open to receive coaching. We're gifting this session to you. I want to invite you to talk to us so that we could look at your situation and tailor our advice specifically to you, no matter where you are on your love journey, whether you are struggling to bring in somebody new into your life, or there is somebody who is not committing, or you keep attracting wrong people, or you're not attracting anyone at all, or maybe you are obsessed or addicted to a wrong person right now. Or maybe you just want to improve your current relationship and take it to the next level. So whatever that is, we are here to help you, because there is no reason really that you should be without love. Love is the most important, the most joyful thing on this planet, in this life, in this lifetime. Don't give up. Don't give up on love. I'm here to tell you. My name is Luba Evans. I am from Russia. I lived in America for many years, but I have a Russian name still, and my name means love. And I've been serving love my whole life. And we have a very good and deep relationship. And I will be happy to take you on board of our incredible coaching practice, which has unique methods like VIP method, vision, intimacy, pleasure first method to create partnership, which has magnetic woman framework methodology. Our work is based on 20 years of my experience being a Tantra teacher, working with Divine Feminine, working with embodied practices, as well as being a master hypnotherapist and NLP teacher and practitioner. And I have more than 350 methods in my sleeves, and all of that treasury can be yours. So click on the link or fill out the survey below. Tell us exactly what's going on and schedule a session with us. We'll be happy to look into your situation. And even if you don't become a student, okay, we're still happy to help. We are happy when we can do our service and our work. That makes our soul feel realized and giddy. And that is our biggest Valentine's Day present. How many people we could walk through that doorway. I'm sending you a lot of love. This is Luba Evans. Please put a like on this video. It helps us a lot. Okay.